Is your car running rough, blowing black smoke, and getting terrible gas mileage? Your engine might be struggling to adapt to a severe fuel issue, indicated by the P02D1 engine code. This generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code applies to all gasoline OBD2 vehicles. When you see this code, it means your engine control module has detected that the fuel injector offset learning for cylinder number 3 has reached its absolute maximum limit. The engine computer constantly learns and adapts to changing conditions, like wearing engine parts, changing weather, and different driving habits. It does this by slightly adjusting, or offsetting, how much fuel the injectors spray to maintain the perfect air and fuel mixture. However, the computer only has a specific window of adaptation. When a major problem forces the computer to max out its fuel adjustments for cylinder number 3 just to keep the engine running, it triggers this code. The symptoms of this maxed out limit are usually moderate to severe. You will notice significantly reduced fuel economy, degrading overall engine performance, and a noticeable engine misfire. You might also smell raw fuel, experience reduced throttle response when you step on the gas, and see excessive black smoke coming from the exhaust under heavy load. The causes for this code rarely point to the computer itself, but rather to an external factor forcing the computer to overcompensate. The most common causes include a massive engine vacuum leak letting unmeasured air into the intake, a completely defective fuel injector on cylinder number 3, or a severely plugged engine air filter. Internal engine problems, like worn piston rings, a blown head gasket, or a cracked intake manifold can also cause the cylinder to lose compression, forcing the injector to work harder. To troubleshoot this at home, start by popping the hood while the engine is idling and listening very carefully for a loud hissing or whistling sound, which is a dead giveaway for a cracked rubber vacuum hose. Next, check your engine air filter. If it looks sunken or completely packed with dirt, replace it immediately, as a clogged filter drastically throws off the air readings. Also, visually inspect the fuel injector for cylinder number 3. Since injectors are mounted deep in the engine bay, they are highly susceptible to water intrusion and corrosion at the electrical plug. Look for heavy dirt buildup or rust on the connector, because this code often points to complex fuel mixture issues or internal mechanical engine where that requires advanced scan tools to monitor live injector data. You should absolutely take your vehicle to a professional mechanic if you cannot find a simple vacuum leak. Continuing to drive with an engine running this poorly will quickly destroy your catalytic converter. Thanks for tuning in, and keep your fuel system healthy.